Hello children, this is story time. Unity is strength. Long time ago, 6-year Alia and 7-year Ravi lived with their mummy papa in a city. Alia and Ravi have many toys with them, but they never share their toys with each other and always fight in the topic that who has the more toys. I have more toys than you. No, I have much more and better toys than you. One day, their grandfather came to their house with many wonderful toys. Kids, I have brought some wonderful toys for you. They stepped forward and took the bag of toys and again started fighting. Grandpa was surprised to see them fighting like this. Grandpa decided to teach them the importance of unity. Next day, Grandpa stepped into their room and asked them, Kids, you want to double the quantity of toys? Then close your eyes. I will do a magic. As they closed their eyes, Grandpa mixed the toys. And when they opened their eyes, they were surprised. Why you mixed them, Grandpa? Why you have done this? Grandpa says, I haven't mixed them, but I have doubled their quantities. Children, you have to learn that there is a massive strength in unity. If you remain together always like these toys, our strength also increases many folds. We shouldn't fight among ourselves, but always remain together. Moral of the story is, a family doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be united. Thank you.